My name is Darren Abbott. I'm a retired resort developer, retired 5 years ago. I love music, I love cars, motorcycles, as you can see. This particular place here is kind of a shit show for guys. We like to have fun, cars, bikes, bullshit, stories, you know. It's a guy's place, and it's a place where other cars and bike guys can come and we can share stories and look at these things. But the goal of building this was so I could ride a motorcycle from the outside up that elevator, load it out into the living room, drive it into my shower. That was the original plan. We're about 99% there, so. Well, I have obviously, like most houses, a digital music system that you use by the phone, you know, the You Can't Bend It extended remix, whatever the hell it's called. And found out about creative audio through a friend and through the McIntosh system. And here we are, purchased an analog stereo vinyl system, and you know, something to look forward to in my old age. Today's the installation day, so I'm kind of excited.
What are you most looking forward to with this two-channel analog system with McIntosh?
That's a really good question. I want it to give me some nostalgia to when I was a kid. You know, I think when people collect things and cars or bikes or memorabilia that I collect, I think we collect the past or we collect what was important to us. You know, some people collect stamps, some people coins, you know, you name it, bicycles. And I think it takes us back to a time. And I think having the analog, what I call a record player, which is, you know, it will just take me back to when I was a kid and I had great times. And when my friends are here, we all hung out, we were camped together when we were 10 years old. You know, we live in such a fast-paced world of technology and AI now that I think the basics of life are just flying by, you know. So again, it isn't just a system. To me, it's just something that I had that we've all got great memories with. And I'm looking forward to listening to it, you know. This is just such a beautiful thing. I mean, it's just cool to look at, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Let alone to what it's going to sound like. It's incredible. This is crazy, isn't it? I mean, it's really cool. Very cool. Of course, I bet they sound amazing, but they look cool too. They definitely go with my theme in here, that's for sure. Good decision. Beautiful stuff. Very impressive.
I'll be right back.
More importantly, you guys do a good job. Do awesome work. Clean, tidy, perfect. Amazing. And then we'll just pull this back. And I'll cut the end of it.
About 65 is good.
Sounds good, doesn't it? Sounds sweet. Sounds really good. It's so real sounding, isn't it? Sounds so good.